All right, it's a beautiful Saturday here, January, a little chilly, not too bad. Conor McGregor is back today in the UFC, but we are going to go for an awesome flight here with 7363 Golf, and we're going to head from Smyrna, Tennessee to Lebanon, Tennessee. It's only about a 14-minute flight. No one's in the sky. Look at the traffic. Winds are eight knots, so not too bad. Maybe a slight crosswind, but not too bad. In fact, very calm right now it feels. But 7363 Golf, we're going to set up our GoPros and get rolling. So let's get our checkup started here. Ouch! Get our checkup started and get moving. See how gas guys are showing up here, so we should be good to go. Fun times.
4 Tango is clear, runway 1.
Lebanon traffic, Cessna 63 Golf is taking the active runway 1, taking off and remaining in the pattern, taking off of midfield. Speed's alive.
Lebanon traffic, Cessna 370 Papa is on final for runway 1.
Rotate.
Lebanon traffic, 779 Bay 301, Lebanon traffic.
All right, we are good. Positive rate of climb. Slightly gusty, but we're good. So guys, this is solo takeoff here. Super excited about myself.
Lebanon traffic, 739 Victor November final.
In Lebanon, Tennessee, 7363 Golf on January 23rd. Absolutely awesome. Lebanon traffic, Cessna 63 Golf making the crosswind turn for runway 1. All right, we're clear.
Lebanon traffic, airport vehicles holding short at Alpha 1.
Lebanon traffic, Cessna 63 Golf entering the 45, entering the downwind for runway 1. All right, looking good. You come down about 100 feet, slow down just a tad. Oh, we are looking good.
Lebanon traffic, airport vehicle crossing 1 and Alpha 1 to the east ramp. Lebanon traffic, Cessna 373 Papa is turning left crosswind for runway 1, Lebanon.
Copy in. Nice and a little gusty here.
Lebanon traffic, 739 Victor November, departing to the west, Lebanon traffic. Airport vehicle clear, 01. Lebanon traffic, Cessna 370 Papa is turning left downwind, runway 1. Lebanon.
Lebanon traffic, Cessna 63 Golf, left base turn for runway 1.
Lebanon traffic 739 November, reporting to the west on a crosswind.
3. All right, final is clear.
Lebanon traffic, Cessna 387 Sierra Papa is departing downwind, heading south, Lebanon.
Lebanon traffic, Cessna 63 Golf, final, runway 1, full stop. Nice and gusty on this first solo. All right, we landed, first solo.